So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I made this potato fufu at home. If you are the type that loves swallow, this video is for you. So keep watching. I'm starting up with Irish potato. I have this Irish potato at home. I don't know what to do with it. So I just thought of making another potato fufu. This is my second time making this video. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another method of making potato fufu. Trust me, at the end of this video, you are going to love it. As you can see, I'm peeling off the back of the potato. Once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to wash it neatly and then put it in the pot and parboil it. Guys, if you have little babies at home, kids that you want to teach them how to swallow African fufu, I think potato fufu is best for them because it's not heavy in the body. This one, you can eat it and still go to work. You will not fall asleep, honestly. I love it so much. Whenever I feel like eating fufu, most of the time is potato fufu I prepare for myself. So once I'm done cutting it up, I'm just going to wash it neatly and then I'm going to put it in the pot, cook it until it becomes very soft. So if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, I'm going to be attaching the link to the first potato fufu video I made. So you can also try the method as well. It's still very nice, guys. As you can see, the potato is very soft now. So next, I'm going to transfer it into my food processor and then I'm going to process it until it becomes very smooth. So if you have good blender, you can also use your blender for this. If you don't have food processor, you have blender, you can use it. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover it and then blend it until it becomes very smooth, like what you are seeing now. So next, I'm going to transfer it back into the pot. And then once I'm done putting them in the pot, I'm going to bring out my starch. So if you don't have potato starch, you can use corn starch. So for me, I don't have potato starch at home again. So I use the corn starch like akamo. It is called akamo in Nigeria. Just mix it up with water and then you start adding it bit by bit until the potato will become thicker the way you want it. I don't know whether I speak this English fine, but just add them until it becomes thick. So you can see I added little quantity and I keep stirring it until I get the texture I really want from it.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made, from spicy jollof rice to fresh marmalade. Every flavor tells a story near and far, in Igioma's kitchen where you're the star.
There's laughter in the seasoning, a dance in every dish, from pepper soup so spicy to your grandmama's wish. Her secret blend of spices brings warmth to the room.
So looking at this potato fufu, you can see that it's a little bit stretchy. You can see it's starting to form fufu. So I'll continue to stir it around and I'll continue to add my starch until I get the texture I really want from it. So guys, if you are going to be trying this at home, let me know in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to love it. More especially if you have babies that are learning how to swallow our African fufu. This will be very good for them. They will really love it. So once I'm done, guys, I'm going to place it in a plastic foil and then wrap it around as I normally do. Allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes because I know they like to eat hot food. And then that is it.
Igioma's kitchen, comfort chases glow.
Oh, Igioma's kitchen, a flavorful embrace, where stories blend with spices, memories find their place. Each dish a celebration from the heart and soul. In Igioma's kitchen, we all find our role.
So next, it is time for me to try this potato fufu and see how it feels in my mouth. Like you all know, I will always test it and then I tell you guys how it is, if it's something I'm going to try again. So I'm going to be enjoying this fufu with my egusi soup. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God, it really came out nice, guys. I love to swallow. I don't joke with my fufu. So guys, it is time for me to try this fufu. Oh, more the soup set anyway. Let me try it and then I'll let you guys know if it's something I'm going to try again. When I tested it, oh my God, This is beautiful. It just went down my throat with no gallop at all. I am going to try it again. This method as well is very beautiful, guys. I love it. Oh my God. I was just shaking, shaking. It's really nice. If you're going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section. See you all on my next one.
Symphony and pans while the garlic mingles softly with the bold plantains. Every bite a journey to lands both old and new, and Vigiano's kitchen dreams come true.